welcome to my body, mind, and spirit health and wellness brand. In today's video, I want to explain to you what this feature and section of my brand is all about. My name is Christy Ramirez and I am a health and wellness expert. So let us begin by talking about what my health and wellness brand consists of. I teach meditation, yoga, holistic nutrition, and I also have a special section just for sacred women. So let's go over each feature. Let's begin with my holistic nutrition series. My holistic nutrition series is a series that you can subscribe monthly for a membership. And what goes on there is that I give you year-round different healthy recipes. I give you lifestyle tips. I even teach nutrition lectures for an additional price. And you can expect every holiday season during the Christmas time to also get a special different recipes just for the holidays so that you can indulge and treat yourself while still taking care of your health, because health and wellness is something very important that we have all become aware about during this year, and this should have always been a priority from all of us. The next thing that I teach is I also have an Herbology master course, which is part of my holistic nutrition series. Now this is a separate educational course that you can purchase, basically a program or a course, and in 10 weeks you're going to learn the basics, the fundamentals, and learn about different benefits on different herbs. And this is really going to help us to see that we can heal ourselves with Mother Gaia. Everything is already in nature for us. It's all about a little education, a little extra knowledge. We go deep even into the development of herbology, Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese medicine, and then we learn about some special herbs that are very rare but very powerful. The next thing that I teach is also my meditation series. A meditation series is basically also a subscription that you can subscribe to monthly, or have also a yearly price. And basically there's different sequences that you can follow along. So they're basically all guided meditations. And they're very versatile. There's a lot of variety that you can choose from. And I also have a special mindful meditation program. This mindful meditation program is a 6-phase program that I came up with that's going to help us to activate our third eye and really sharpen our intuition. So that's a great program if that's what you're seeking and that's what you need in your life, because it's very needed. Let me take a sip. Why is meditation beneficial? Meditation is part of my daily routine, my morning routine, and it really makes all the difference in helping shape my day, starting from a more peaceful, mindful state, and allowing me to make better decisions as well throughout my day and throughout my entire life journey. So meditation is very suggested. If you purchase my mindful meditation program, you also have access to a special article that I wrote, The Science of Meditation, and you're going to learn the benefits of why meditation should be a part of your lifestyle and what kind of physical ailments it can heal, even mental health issues. So it's really ties in with what I do in my soul coaching brand, especially in my spiritual counseling TV network, because these spiritual practices that we incorporate into our lifestyle can help us to recover from any mental health, emotional, or even physical ailments that are really standing in the way of us living our highest vibrational life. The next thing that I teach is my yoga series. In my yoga series, this is a series which also you can have access to a whole bunch of different sequences that are uniquely created by myself from lots of years of experience doing yoga. This is also something that's part of my daily lifestyle, and I feel compelled to share it with the people, yoga for the people. And so I created this series, and I also have a program. If you want to learn more in detail, break down some certain asanas, you can take a look at my yoga therapy program. This is basically a library of different asana poses that you can use into your sessions. The yoga series are full complete sequences, so it's a lot of variety that I have, and all to help make your lifestyle choices easier for you. I guide you, and I know that a lot of people are busy people, but that's no excuse, myself included. I have many aspects of my brand, and yet I still make it here to show up for my health, for my well-being. And I want to share my lifestyle tips and secrets with you. I also teach a Science of Yoga educational 8-week course that you can also purchase separately under my courses and programs. This is more of an educational course where I walk you through the science of yoga, the benefits, but also how to properly perform our yoga asanas from a physiological and anatomical point of view. It goes very, very deep, even very deep into chakra system, into the meridian system, and how it all ties in together with our aura, etc. So you definitely want to take a look at that program, because that course is gonna make you want to make yoga and meditation a part of your lifestyle. Now, the next part of my brand that I offer in my holistic nutrition series, like I mentioned, I also I want to make sure I mentioned everything. I do recipes year-round, vegan and vegetarian style, holiday baking during the holidays, nutrition lectures, and then I also give you lifestyle tips on how to incorporate more holistic nutrition into a busy lifestyle, how to mitigate stress, etc. And I also have a health and wellness forum. In this forum is basically I write articles that are based on research and educational, my years of actual study in graduate school for holistic nutrition. So I have a lot of background in this that I want to share, and I also expand by keeping up to date with the research. So if you want access to those articles, you can also purchase a separate membership. And then I also offer a weekly health guidance. My weekly health guidance is basically me showing up every beginning of the week with a health guidance for the week. And you can take a look at a sample on my YouTube channel. And basically, it's just a guidance from spirit as to what we can do that week on whatever level, whether it's physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual, and how we can expand that week and really work on developing ourselves so that we can continue to ascend on our spiritual journey. So it all ties in together with my soul coaching brand as well. And then I also have a separate section for Sacred Woman. This is a Sacred Woman healing program that I have been in development for quite some time. This is a 14-week program that helps to heal and realign the divine feminine's body, mind, and spirit back to her health and wellness. And this goes deep into ancient Egyptian teachings and secrets. And we go deep even into Kemetic philosophy, and we learn different rituals that can help us on an internal ancient level to get back in alignment. And this can relate to love, it can relate to your own personal journey as a woman. And I recommend Sacred Woman as well to also have their partner join in so that they can begin to attract sacred unions and partnerships, so that more and more we can move into this spiritual love. It's a very powerful program. So powerful that I also am going to show up throughout the year with special Sacred Woman gatherings. These are live gatherings that I will be hosting for Sacred Woman throughout the year. So take a look at my upcoming events calendar to know when the next dates are. And because this program is based in Egypt, this is where the sacred gatherings happen, in the desert, and very much connected to these vortexes of the pyramids and the Sphinx. It's a very powerful program. And finally, but certainly not least, every month I show up with spiritual retreats. These are spirituality retreats that I do every new and full moon. And what we do every time is different. I do what's guided, intuitive, creative. I let my artistic side of myself come out. And we always do some sort of healing ceremony. And it's very powerful because it forces us to take a break throughout our month, our busy lifestyle, and take care of our healing, set our intentions, celebrate the manifestations that we have achieved during this moon cycle. And it really helps us to also get deeper into what's next and what steps to take in our present moment. So this is a little bit of what I offer in my health and wellness body, mind, and spirit brand. This is a brand that was inspired to me because I felt that it was necessary to share this side of myself, my true authentic side, all of me, and embrace this side of my healing self, because without this, I wouldn't be able to show up for soul coaching, for spiritual counseling. And it's very important that we know that it's a healthy balance between all of the different aspects within ourselves. And this is the only way that we can attract a truly high vibrational, healed life and self. And this is going to flow into all aspects of our life, our relationships, our career, our health. So definitely take a look at my health and wellness body, mind, and spirit brand. And I hope that you can join my membership programs, my programs as well, and my special educational courses. I hope to see you there. My name is Christy Ramirez, and I am a health and wellness expert. Thank you for having me here today, and I'm wishing you all an amazing and beautiful journey. Namaste. A little sneak peek of what's next in 2021. I am working on a book called Heal from the Inside Out. This book is going to guide you through all your 14 chakras. It's going to be a very powerful educational book that's going to be released next year. And this book is also going to come along with a program where I'm going to have certain guided meditations for our chakras and guided yoga sequences for each chakra. So stay on the lookout for that. Sign up to my free mailing list to get updates and special discounts. And I really hope that all that I do in this brand can really help to heal the collective, all of us. Let us be in this revolution together, and let us all heal together by holding hands and joining in this one love. Thank you again. Namaste. And another sneak peek of what's to come in this year 2021. I really want to make it a focus to teach the collective about spiritual love. So I am working on a program called the Spiritual Love Program. This is going to teach you tantric philosophy, kundalini meditations, all to help us reignite to this true power of spiritual transcendental love. We're going to bring in a lot of Osho's teachings. It's going to be a very complete program in teaching us about true spiritual love. So definitely make sure, again, that you stay up to date. Follow me on all my social media, especially my Body, Mind, and Spirit brand website, Christy Ramirez _ Body, Mind, and Spirit. That's the Instagram handle for this brand. And I'm wishing you all an amazing year, and I hope to see all of you there and all the resources that I have to offer. Namaste.